Hello, this is Johannes from the Conference App development team. I'd like to introduce the Conference App internal test version of our client. As you see, this client is only available for Android at the moment, but later there may be other ports for iPhone, Windows Mobile or Symbian OS. There may also be a client for desktop or notebook computers, but we will see that. As you see, I will show you the Conference App on the Android emulator, because it's hard to film my Samsung speaker because of shining and the glare display and so on. Hopefully the emulator is not too slow to give you the right introduction to the Conference App. If we start the Conference App, you will be welcomed by a Conference ID text field where you have to enter your Conference ID. As you see, at the moment there is my conference as the internal test conference, which is not really available and only virtual, for giving us the ability to test the messaging feature of the Conference App. If you're at the conference later, you can scan this via QR code, for example, but that is a function we offer later, and we are not sure if we offer it for free, but you will see that. If you press the menu button, you get a settings screen where you can enter server data or other information about your account. Which features are really available in the final version is a point to change at the moment. By now, you can enter your server IP or server domain, the server port, and the time which takes until you do another position poll, because, as you may know, the Conference App has this unique feature which offers you the ability to get tracked in which room you are and offer this information to other Conference App users. By now, its default value is 30 seconds, where you publish your position to the other persons. This feature is not currently available to hide yourself at the conference, but that is a privacy feature we may offer in the future. Let's log into the conference server and see that we're in the conference room Mobile as Blau, which is our virtual conference room for testing purposes. As there are no sessions in this room, this list is empty by now, but there are other persons in the same room with me. In this case, only Norbert is here, who is the guy who does the server programming and the server administration. As I mentioned, there is the messaging feature, which produces this little flashing icon on the bottom of the screen when a new message for you arrives. If you click on it, another screen comes up where your received messages, your sent messages, and a screen for sending new messages will be displayed.